Welcome to this training video on APEOs. These chemicals are widely used in the textile industry, including here in Bangladesh. In today's session, we'll learn what they are, why they pose risks, and what safer options we can use instead. What are APEOs? APEOs are synthetic chemicals mainly used as surfactants. The two most common types are nonylphenol ethoxylates and octylphenol ethoxylates. They are made by reacting alkylphenols with ethylene oxide, and in textiles, they help with cleaning and mixing during different processes. Where are APEOs used? In textile factories, APEOs are often used in detergents for washing fabrics, as wetting agents during dyeing and printing, and sometimes even in finishing chemicals. For example, in knit dyeing plants, APEO-based detergents are commonly used to remove oils and dirt before the dyeing process begins. Environmental impact. The problem is, when APEOs are released into rivers or soil, they break down into highly toxic forms. They don't go away quickly. Instead, they remain in the environment, enter fish and other animals, and travel up the food chain. So, the harm keeps building up over time. Human health risks. APEOs don't just affect the environment, they also affect us. Studies have found them in human blood, urine, and even breast milk. They can disturb hormones, damage reproductive health, and weaken the immune system. In simple words, regular exposure can quietly damage our health over the long term. Global legal restrictions. Because of these risks, strict rules are in place in many countries. In Europe, any product containing more than 0.1% APEOs is banned. Canada and the United States are also phasing them out. But in some regions, like China, regulations are still weak. For exporters in Bangladesh, this means we must follow strict buyer requirements if we want to stay competitive in the global market. Industry actions. Major brands like H&M, Zara, and Adidas have already banned APEOs in their supply chains. Global groups such as ZDHC are working towards zero discharge of hazardous chemicals. And Greenpeace campaigns continue to push for stronger restrictions, especially in countries where textiles are produced. Alternatives. The good news is, safer options already exist. Many chemical suppliers now offer APEO-free detergents and auxiliaries. Databases like Cleangredients list more than 300 safe alternatives. In fact, several dye houses here in Bangladesh have already switched to APEO-free chemicals to pass buyer audits and maintain trust. Example in Bangladesh. Let's look at a real example. A washing plant in Bangladesh exports to Europe. Their buyer requires proof that their detergents are APEO-free. By switching to safer surfactants, the factory not only meets compliance, but also earns a reputation as a sustainable and reliable supplier. Quick summary. APEOs may be widely used, but they are harmful to both people and the environment. Global rules and international buyers are pushing for their complete phase-out. By adopting safer alternatives, Bangladesh's garment industry can protect workers, safeguard the environment, and secure long-term business opportunities. Thank you for joining today's session. I hope you now have a clearer understanding of APEOs. If you found this training useful, please share your feedback. It helps us improve and create even better sessions for you in the future.